Hi, I am Kamlesh, 27 years old. I experienced baldness from past 9 years and heavy receding hair fall from past 2 years. I got Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic reference from internet and my surgery was performed on 11th and 12th October. The doctors involved were Dr. Kiran Chotalia. The doctors and technicians here are very extremely helpful and my overall experience was good with the clinic. They have a very good hospitality. They guide you with every minute detail and they provide you support at every level. And total 5,500 grafts were implanted. Dr. Kiran did the surgery. Thank you, Hairfree Hairgrow.